How to create your Ventix wallet. Tap on Wallet. Tap on the plus sign here to upload a profile picture. Select the image and tap Crop. The image will be uploaded. Type in your first name. And if you have a middle name, type in your middle name. Type in your last name. Tap Done. Enter your phone number. The country code is already in front. After typing your phone number, tap Done. Enter your date of birth. Type here the day, the month, and the year. Tap Done. Go through the information you've entered and make sure everything is correct. Tap on Secure Wallet. Enter your username. This username is a unique name which will be used to identify you. For example, if the username which you've entered is available, it will tell you username is available. But in the case we are in, the username which you've entered has already been used by someone else, you will also be notified. Example, username already taken. So all you have to do is type in another username different from the one which you've entered. Username available. Scroll down. Enter a 4-digit PIN which will be used by you to access your wallet. Re-enter your 4-digit PIN to confirm your wallet PIN code. Tap Done and tap Create Wallet. You will see a message telling you your wallet has successfully been created. Tap OK. Enter your 4-digit PIN code to access your wallet. Welcome to the digital economy. Your wallet has successfully been created.